guys, we're going to be unboxing a Southwest 737. This is not a real German, I know that, but we're just going to be unboxing it. It's a Southwest old livery. I do not have this one yet. So here it is. So it's fake, guys. I'm sorry. I couldn't find the rare one, but this is what I got. I could have gotten the pack, but that one's not as expensive. I mean, it's still expensive too. But... So here it is. This is Southwest right here. I just got this right now. So this is a new collection to add to my plane collection. I don't really buy these models that often. I usually buy Darren or Gemini Jets. Just kidding, I barely buy Gemini Jets. I only bought it like twice. What the heck? What the get what's up? What the heck? What the get what's up? Oh, what? So this is how it looks like. How do you do this on there? So this is how it looks. It's an old Southwest livery. I don't know why you don't have that red here, but that red is gone. It still looks really good though. I give this a 10 out of 10. Bye.